Hi, this is Rich Coles from Productive. For some people coming to Smartsheet from Microsoft Project, there can be some features that they're looking for which aren't there. And one of those is constraints. So the ability, and for many people, they don't actually use it, but for those who do, they want to find a way of doing it. This is a way to be able to say, do I have any constraints which a task must start before or must finish before or must have a deadline? So in a way, I've created some solutions for this and I'm going to show you what I've done. So I've created 3 columns here, which is constraint type, constraint date, and the flagged constraint. And I've created a drop-down column with must start before, do not start before, and must finish by, the deadline. And what I do in this case is I can choose these ones. I'm going to put in a date, and then I've created this column called a flag constraint. And if it is flagged, then I use conditional formatting to then trigger it to say there's something wrong. So you can see in this case that this should finish by the 17th of March, and it's currently on the 20th of March, which is now flagging that line to say, well, there's something wrong. So if I reduce the date here to be 7 days, it goes back and you can see, well, the due to finish on the 11th of March and it's the 17th of March, which is all good. So let's just say must start before the 1st of March. That's fine. Again, if I change this to be the date is going to be 3/3, you can see that's flagged because it's now overdue from the start date, and do not start before the 3rd of February. If I change this constraint here to be a date in March, let's just say the 5th of March, you can see that is do not start before and it's due to start that date. Again, let's just change that to be 3 days. Well, great. Do not start before the 5th of March. That is now good because it is the 6th of March. Now, another way that you can use this is actually you can link this cell. So if you've got, for example, another sheet with dependencies, you can actually also link the cell. And so if I can go to link to cell from another sheet, I can then say, choose this. It's a constraint coming from this task and another plan is going to create a hard constraint in here. And therefore that date will keep reflected. And if something must finish by that date, then it will trigger. Again, short, sharp, simple, really easy way of doing this. All it is a drop-down column. The formula in here is the column formula. And what we'll do is I'll make this available for people to download from the Productive website. So you go across there and have a look. That's the formula. And there you go. Great way for people who want slightly more advanced features within their project plans. Again, at Productive, we've got a background in project management, always looking to say, how can we get Smartsheet to achieve those things that we want it to, which maybe some people want, many other people are not bothered about. So there you go. Always tips to help achieve great things with Smartsheet. Thanks for watching and bye for now.